Today, I'm going to teach you a very practical technique for developers called forking. As the name suggests, it refers to creating a fork or branch. That means we can fork the current mainnet and use the fork network for testing. This allows us to directly test existing project contracts. We can also interact with them for testing purposes. Plus, the tokens we use aren't real, so we can even mint some test ETH and use it on Uniswap to swap for various tokens. So, today, I'm going to show you how to use Ganache to instantly for mainnet. Hi, crypto isn't just for programmers. And on this channel, I'll help turn you from a newbie into a seasoned Web3 enthusiast. If you're interested in this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. To survive long-term in the Web3 market, the best way is to improve your skills and become a Web3 app developer. Visit our homepage, and I'll guide you step by step. First, we go to the Ganache official website, which you can easily find with a quick search. Then, click on Download to get the software. Since I'm using a Mac, the default download option will be the Mac OS version. After downloading, double-click to install it and wait for about a minute. Then, when you open the software, a pop-up window will appear. Just click Open to proceed. Great, it's open now. Let me enlarge the window for you. At this point, you don't have any other options, so just click, and you'll arrive at this window. On the left, you have the option for quick deployment, and on the right, you can create a new workspace. We click on New Workspace. You can customize the workspace name based on your project. At the top, you'll see various options. Here, we'll click on Server. Here's where we configure our node server settings. If you look at the bottom, you'll see an option called Chain Forking. Below, you'll need to enter the RPC node address of the chain you want to fork, as well as the block height from which you want to start the fork. Simply fill in these details, and you're good to go. If you're unsure what an RPC link is, you can visit the Chainlist website, which provides a list of all RPC nodes compatible with EVM chains. For example, how you see their which one should you choose? Let's go with the one that has the green check marks. Copy it and paste it into the required field. As for the block height, you can copy any one of them. It doesn't really matter since they're all the same here. Copy it again and paste it into the designated field. Then, click Start in the top right corner. It may take about 20 seconds to complete. After that, you'll see a list of test accounts, each with 100 ETH for you to use in testing. The best part is that the data here is identical to the mainnet. To verify what I just said, we can take a token address from the current mainnet and check its name to see if it matches the one on the mainnet. So, how I perform this check on the fork network we just deployed. We can open Remix and connect it to the local chain we just forked. If you're not familiar with what Remix is or how to use these ABIs, you can follow our channel. We have previous videos that specifically explain how to use Remix. First, we connect to the fork chain we just created. You'll need to input the node address, which is displayed in Ganache. In this case, it's localhost on port 7545. The chain ID is 5777. Then, just paste the RPC URL you copied earlier into the required field. You can see that there are many addresses listed here. These addresses are the test accounts from Ganache, each with 100 ETH available for testing. Alright, now let's go to Blockchain Explorer and randomly find a token address. Let's go with DAI. I'm sure everyone knows it's a stable coin. We'll copy its address and paste it into Remix. We copy the DAI address and then paste it into the Remix editor. In the Remix editor, we randomly select a smart contract and find the IERC20 contract. We use this contract as the ABI to interact with the DAI address we just pasted, allowing us to make calls to it. Let's go with this one, the Uniswap router contract. Inside the Uniswap router contract, you'll find the IERC20 interface. We paste the contract address we copied earlier into the provided field and then click Add Address. We can use these buttons to check the token's name and symbol. You'll see that they match the mainnet data. DAI is displayed correctly. This means that we were able to retrieve real-world mainnet information on a locally forked test chain. Plus, we have 100 ETH at our disposal for testing purposes. If you want to learn about developing on the Solana chain and Ethereum EVM chain, make sure to follow our channel for more related content. If you'd like to join our community, you can visit our website, where you'll find a link to join our Discord server. See you there.